Katie's right. I remember her saying when she finally figured out the role of somebody at the staff, it's to press her button, to figure out what her button is, and keep pressing her button until that button doesn't work anymore. And she's learned how to do it. I thought, that's great.
Some will push you so hard that you don't understand why they're doing that, but you look back and you're like, oh wait, you were doing that to help me with my treatment.
I say, like, I'm fine. Like, I'm always fine. Like, I'm fine, whatever. And they didn't buy that from the first second. By talking to them about how I was feeling and how, like, I was working through, like, stuff, they gained trust with me. Yeah, they just really, really cared, and, like, therefore I was able to trust them and prove to them that I cared about them, and then they could trust me.
There was always at least someone who I could talk to, who cared about me, and who really, like, knew that I could do it. I know these people are going to hold boundaries with me. I know the staff are going to, you know, keep the rules and do these things. And yeah, that sucks, but it also makes me feel safe. And I also know that they care, and I also know that I have a friend in them.
And, like, they hold boundaries with you because they care.
They don't have to push it to enforce it. It's just, this is the way we do things, or you can do it your way. Either way, we're still going to love you. We're still going to do whatever, you know, you want, but if you want to get a positive reaction, you go along with the program. And we didn't want a punishing aspect. We wanted a lifetime aspect, something that could carry her through, because we didn't want her thinking this is good and this is bad, and if it's bad I'm going to be punished all the time, because that's not really life.
It wasn't the punishment I needed, it was the love and the care and forgiving. Not forgiving as in you did something wrong and they automatically forgive you and trust you right away, but how they gave you a chance to learn from your mistakes and a chance to redeem yourself.